Clubs and societies accounts. Non-profit organizations. Non-profit is a type of organization that does not earn profits for its owners. Typically, non-profit organizations are charities or other types of public service organizations. Important terms and accounting treatment. 1. Donation. Donations are the lifeblood of non-profits that help them survive and fulfill their missions. Donation is received by two ways. A. Specific donation. An amount donated by members or any other person for any specific purpose. It is a capital receipt and shown in the balance sheet. Examples of such donations are donation for library, donation for building, etc. B. General donation. An amount donated by members or any other person without any specific purpose is called general donation. Its amount is comparatively small than the specific donation. It is a revenue receipt and shown in income and expenditure account. 2. Legacy. It is the amount received by the concern as per the will of the donor. It appears on the receipt side of receipts and payments account. It should not be considered as income but should be treated as capital receipt, i.e. credited to capital fund account. 3. Entrance fees. This is also an item to be found on the receipt side of receipts and payments account. There are arguments that it should be treated as capital receipt because entrance fees is to be paid by every member only once, i.e. when enrolled as member, hence it is non-recurring in nature. But another argument is that since members to be enrolled every year and receipt of entrance fees is a regular item, therefore, it should be credited to income. In the absence of the instructions, any one of the above treatment may be followed, but students should append a note justifying their treatment. 4. Subscription. It is the amount paid by the members, usually annual basis, for the facilities provided by the club or society. It is a revenue receipt. Receipt and payment account records the actual subscription received. It may pertain to any year. However, in order to post it to the income and expenditure account, adjustments have to be made to the subscription, as only subscription pertaining to that particular year is recorded in I/E account.